Hi everyone. Today I will walk you through with my collage project with the theme Creating a Supporting and Caring Learning Environment. Now this here is what my collage looks like. On creating a supporting and caring learning environment, of course, it will all start with the teacher. The tree represents knowledge, and the root of its knowledge is a teacher itself. The different pictures represents the branches of the tree. Each of them have meaning and are all connected to each other. This is a to-do list picture. A teacher must learn to know how to teach, what to teach, and when to teach next in an organized manner. Just like in the picture, it shows step-by-step instructions and how it is done. And that's exactly the same with teaching. Your students cannot understand the topic if you do not start from the very beginning. And we all know for a fact that the student can learn even the hardest lesson if we teachers are just being patient with them. Now this picture shows a dictionary. I included this because you, the teacher, is your constant walking and living dictionary. But there are also different ways on how to teach students new words. For example, put a vocabulary bulletin in your classroom and each week, student must put new words that they did not understand or that is new to them. Now this picture shows asking questions. Always encourage your students to ask questions. And we, teachers, need to answer it with a match gusto so they would not be afraid to ask the next time. But if in the case that they wouldn't ask questions, we need to step in and ask them ourselves. This is to ensure that they really understand the topic that is being given to them. When a student is hesitant, ask them anyway. Entertain all their questions no matter how silly it is, as long as it is about the topic. Because some students have different ways on how to learn. Always check on your student. Keep a record and track their progress every day. This is a simple way of showing that we care for them. In every topic, we need to clarify all things with all the students. We need to make sure that they understand it all before moving on to the next subject. Now, this picture is very common. In order to establish a supporting and caring learning environment, we need to be unbiased at all times, no matter what the gender is, their race, or even how close you are with their families. We have to treat them all equal and the same always. We teachers need to also exert extra effort. One example is going to seminars to learn new things or simply develop our skills and maybe learn a thing or two from our fellow teachers. Well, of course, part of creating a supporting and caring learning environment is having an organized and happy classroom. Happy in a sense that everyone is welcome and the classroom itself is entertaining and attractive. One that students will be looking forward to in coming the next day. Well, teachers doesn't need to be a good teacher always. They should always be a good listener also. Listen to their problems. Listen to their complaints. Listen to their silly stories. This way, we can learn new things about them and use this later on to our advantage. Now, this one is also important. We need to let them act on their. Just give them your support. Answer the questions if they have one. But we need to let them do things on their own. Because as what they say, experience is a great teacher. While students, as young as they tend to get distracted very easily. We need to know how to get their attention and keep their focus at us. And that's it for me. That's what I think creating a supporting and learning environment looks like. Bye!